In this particular video, we provide you with an overview of 21 Shop and its integration with AbaNinja. We are starting in the Swiss 21 dashboard. Here you can see the already installed 21 Shop application. When you click on the application, you enter the 21 Commerce administration. 21 Shop and 21 POS share the exact same administration interface. On the left in the navigation bar, you find various menu items. Under Products, you can create new products or edit existing ones. Under Categories, you create new product categories or edit them. Under Customers Orders, you can view your orders and capture or edit customer details. Under Settings, you make general settings for your online shop. Under Design, you can customize the design of your online shop. Under Contents, you can adjust page content, among other things. Under Modules, you find all your installed modules, including the AbaNinja module. To connect AbaNinja with 21 Shop, click on the module, and then under First Steps on Connect. If you have already captured your own items in 21 Shop or AbaNinja, you can now synchronize them. We recommend that you designate AbaNinja or 21 Shop as your primary system and make changes in this system and then transfer them over to the secondary system. You can skip this step and do it later, once you have entered your first items into the system. Click now on the button labeled Finish Setup. Your AbaNinja is now successfully connected with 21 Shop. Now proceed to make a test purchase. Click on the cart icon to navigate to the customer page of the online shop. Select an item and place it into the shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout and fill out the order form completely. At the bottom, you can choose a payment method. Click on the button labeled Next. Accept the terms and conditions and click on the button labeled Buy. Now go back to the administration of 21 Shop. Under Customers Orders, Customer Management, you will find the test purchase. Click on the invoice number to view the detailed order information. Now switch over to AbaNinja. Under Customers, Invoices, find the test purchase, which is automatically synced with AbaNinja. Your AbaNinja is now successfully connected with 21 Shop.